Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. J. Today I'm going to show you how to solve this exponential equation. It reads 4 raised to the power of x plus 4 raised to the power of s equal to 1. Solution: 4 raised to the power of x plus 4 raised to the power of x equal to 1. Now we have how many 4 raised to the power of x? We can write this 2 as 2 into 4 raised to the power of x equal to 1. And now this bracket means times, which is 2 times 4 raised to the power of x equal to 1. Now we want to express this 4 raised to the power of x in base 2. Everything will be 2 raised to the power of 1 times 2 raised to the power of 2 into x equal to 1. And this will be 2 raised to the power of 1 times 2 raised to the power of 2x, because we can multiply powers in law of indices. And this is equal to 2 raised to the power of 0, because in law of indices, anything raised to the power of 0 is 1, meaning n raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. If we move further, we have multiplication rule of indices, where we have a raised to the power of n times a raised to the power of m is equal to a raised to the power of m plus n. If we apply this law of indices here, we pick one base here, which is 2 raised to the power of 1 plus 2x equal to 2 raised to the power of 0. Next step, we compare both sides. If we compare both sides, we have base will cancel base, left with 1 plus 2x equal to 0. Now we collect like terms. If we collect like terms, we are having 2x equal to 0. We have plus 1. Crossing the sign of equality, it becomes minus 1. Then we have 2x equal to minus 1. To get s, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. We have 2x all over 2 equals to minus 1 all over 2. 2 we cancel 2, left with x equal to minus 1 over 2 as the final answer. If this helped, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.